Hi, John Wells here. I've just finished editing my video for Caboroig, and I noticed that while I'm on the headland saying what's coming up in the video, I didn't put my soft advert in. So here it is. Anything you enjoy about this video, give me a thumbs up, or better still, you can subscribe and hit this notification bell here and you'll get all of my up and coming videos in the future. That being said, let's see the video. Here I am on one of the headlands at Cabo Roig, and as you can see, it's a beautiful sunny evening again. You've seen some people there enjoying themselves on the beach, and instead of wandering around here on the beach, I'm going to go up into the town, because when I go on YouTube I can't seem to find anything on there that actually shows parts of Cabo Roig other than the marina and the beach. So don't get me wrong, we're going to go to the beach and the marina as well, but we're going to start looking around Cabo Roig right here. In Cabo Roig you've got two chemists. You've got this one behind me, and this is really cool. It's a drive-through, so you can phone up, order your stuff, drive through, go to the window, they hand it out to you and you can drive off again. That's mega. And then there's the other chemist down at the other end of the strip. This one. We've got all the usual suspects. A Chinese supermarket, a food market next door to that. Got the Trinity Bar a little further up, and this is the back side of the main strip. As you can see, there's plenty of parking usually down this way, and at the top end there we've got the surgery or the salud. As far as I know, there's only 3 banks here in Cabo Roig, and 3 banks is enough. You've got La Caxia just up the road, there is Sabadell a little bit further down, and then behind me we've got Santander. The people I try and avoid like the plague are Santander. Oops, sorry, I missed this one. This is Bankia. This is round the corner from the Bushwacker. Now, at the top end of Cabo Roig, you've got this lovely restaurant and cafe bar. Across the road, you've got the very start of Cabo Roig strip. A couple of the usuals here. There's estate agents, a cafe, a tobacco shop, and a couple of other bits and pieces there. Now, this is the main strip here, early on a Saturday morning, looking a bit empty. And the same strip here, long distance from the bridge that crosses over the N332. As you can see, it gets a little bit busier as the day goes on, and we're kind of getting back to a kind of normal now after our lockdown has been lifted a good bit. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and as you can hear, it's always busy in the Bushwacker. Around the corner you've got the phone shop, and that's right next door to the Bankia bank that I missed out on. You can just see that come into shot on the right hand side. Only just though. Across the road there's a lovely apart hotel. I haven't been into there, don't know anything about it, and there are several cafes over here, and they're all open, which is pretty handy because this is about 8:30 in the morning on Saturday when I filmed this section of film, and probably a bit early to go to the steakhouse, but I'm sure they do nice meals there. A little further down you've got a kind of a mini industrial estate if you like, and there's this massive light shop there. It looks so fantastic. I've never been in, and I don't think they're going to let someone like me in, looking as scruffy as I do quite often. A little further up you've got, I think part of that light shop, a home and garden centre. Some really nice things here. I shot this bit later in the afternoon on the Saturday, and I had to shoot these by holding my camera through the gates because it was closed at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You can even buy a cannon. What would you want a cannon for? Behind these bins there's some more shops, a charity shop, and further down a second-hand shop. And this is a shot that I've done from the bridge just to give you a little bit of perspective as to how long Cabo Roig strip is. It's a long strip full of plenty of bars, shops, hairdressers, banks, all that kind of stuff I've just mentioned. Now we're off to the marina. If you ask anyone where the tower is in the marina, you'll end up here. Because behind the tower there's a restaurant, known as the Tower Restaurant I believe, and you can have a 20-second walk across the car park and you have this view of the marina. And quite simply I'm going to put a bit of music over the top here and let you just look at some of the sights for the next minute or so. Well, I'll try my very best to show you what we got here in Cabo Roig. There's plenty. There's bars, restaurants, cafes, there's pharmacias, banks, a salud where you can go and see a doctor, a really good supermarket. And I'm off now down to the marina, where I'm going to go and get myself a cup of coffee and I'll finish up my video down there. So let's head off down that way. Well, if you've enjoyed anything of this video, don't forget you can use the subscribe button and click the notification bell on the end of it. And I'm going to finish this video up here on Cabo Roig Marina because it's a great place to finish a video. It's easy to find. If you ever come to Cabo Roig, you just look for the Tower Restaurant. Everybody will know where that is. Follow your nose down the steps and you're here. There's boats all over the place, as there should be in the marina. There's a couple of cafes and restaurants. On the far end over there, there's a nice little beach. There's a nice little beach on the far end there, and it's a great place to be. So until my next video, bye for now.